We are at the Herbert Hoover National Historic Site, and right here, this is the birthplace of Herbert Hoover. What do you think?
Here. Little.
You want to take a look around? I don't know.
Please be open.
Perfect timing for the sirens in town.
Is it 12 o'clock? I think it's 12 o'clock.
No, I think it's 7 a.m. Should we see if we can peek in the windows?
Interesting.
Can't really see in the windows.
Look, there's a secret door under here.
It's all locked up.
It smells.
Did you guys...
There's the outhouse.
Oh, is that the toilet over there? I don't think you can drop a presidential deuce in there, Ben. What do you guys think of this house?
Small.
Small?
Okay.
Yep. Now, Herbert Hoover was born on August 10th, 1874. And at the age of 9, he became an orphan because both his parents died. But later in life, he was able to become a multi-millionaire as a mining engineer before entering politics and becoming the 31st President of the United States in 1929. What do you guys think of that?
Weird.
Kind of shows you that you can pretty much become anything you want if you put your mind to it. You guys want to go see that creepy statue?
Where? Yeah.
It's over there.
Sure.
Ooh, this is Isis, the goddess of life. And this was a gift to Herbert Hoover from the people of Belgium for all of his humanitarian work shortly after World War I. This is one of those gifts you say, thanks, just what I always wanted. Huh? Here's where the president's buried. Right next to his wife. Died in 1964. And it's 7 a.m. right now, and none of the buildings are open right now. And we don't really have any time to wait around, so maybe we can come back some other time. So let's go, guys.